It's your boy Celeb Man. Welcome back to our channel. If it's your first time, please make sure you like, subscribe, hit that bell notification button. Yes. Guys, today we're hitting you with another and I need everybody that is for my famous macaroni and cheese.
Excuse you?
My famous.
Excuse you?
Babe, yes, me.
You.
Me.
Right.
Yes. I make the bangingest macaroni.
This macaroni is dead, bro. This is my macaroni.
She does a decent macaroni. I'm not gonna lie. It's a decent one.
Excuse
and
you?
everyone always asking for her. I'm not gonna lie, but you, babe, between me and you, who's better?
Mine.
Babe.
Mine.
Babe.
Mine.
Babe.
Who did they ask for when we got barbecue?
Not me. You, not you.
Yeah.
No, they asked for you, but you're the one.
The truth revealed. You revealed the truth
because
and not me. You revealed the
It's
truth.
because everyone assumed that my wife's gonna be the one making the food, isn't it? So they ask her. But really, I'm the one who makes it. You get me? Babes.
No.
Alright.
It's my macaroni.
Either way, today we're gonna show how my wife does her macaroni and cheese.
So we're going to start out. So basically, disclaimer, we couldn't find the macaroni in the shop today. So we're just using fusilli. But it works with any pasta, obviously macaroni if you want to get the real macaroni though. So we're going to start. I'm just going to start by pouring it in the pot. And I'm too lazy to wait for cold water to boil. So I plug the kettle and I just pour boiling water on top. I assume you will know how to cook pasta. I don't need to come with measurements.
Babe, you've already started it wrong.
I haven't started
You've already started it wrong.
Don't piss me off.
It's alright.
Stressing me out, okay? I don't use salt when I cook. I use these magical cube. Fancy. Beautiful. It's this here, yeah? It's not like Knorr what we get in the supermarket. It's Nigerian Knorr. Penny calls it Maggie, and I just call it Maggie, but it's actually Knorr. It's just fresh. Anyways, this stuff.
Don't hate, babe.
Whatever.
Don't hate.
This stuff here, yeah, is like the answer to like all of life's questions. You see what I mean? So I don't put this salt. I put this in this by itself. If you're new to using it, I say start with 1 cube and then obviously add additional as you go along. Then add a little bit of mixed herbs. You have to season your pasta, guys. And then just a little bit, like a little drizzle of olive oil. I don't know why my mum always told me to put oil in the pasta. I think it stops it from sticking to the pan, but I got a non-stick pan, so I don't know why I'm doing it.
Babe, if you can put bare herbs in that, man.
It's gonna be buff, yeah?
You put bare herbs in that, man. Your mouth's gonna taste like a garden.
Why are you gonna try to discredit my food?
I'm not discrediting it.
If
I'm
I
just
slap you
saying
with
it.
this
I'm
spoon.
just saying you've got a lot of herbs in
Shut
that.
up, man. I'll put bare herbs in it all the time.
I'll put my secret ingredient at this point, but I'm not gonna say what that is.
Your secret
But
ingredient.
man puts my secret
Your secret
ingredient at this
ingredient
point.
is bullcrap, yeah? Shut up.
Listen, man puts my secret ingredient at this point,
Shut up.
yeah? Let me,
Shut up.
just so I can see how that goes, isn't it?
Shut up. And then obviously just at that point. In the meantime, babes, I need some help.
What?
Can you grate some food for me?
She got me to do the hard work, man.
Hi. Hi. Look at your morning face. Yeah. Oh, baby.
I need to grate some cheese, yeah?
Yeah.
Just Red Leicester, is that what you use?
No.
No, mozzarella.
But I couldn't get no grated Red Leicester. So.
Let me wash my hands.
Yeah, that's a
Safety first.
So the stuff that I'm using in this video, I'm not particular about what I use unless I know it's like a proper good quality. In fact, the only thing I'm particular about is this. Other than that, I use whatever butter, I use whatever cream cheese, I use whatever regular cheese. Do you know what I mean? I just switch it out for whatever I can get my hands on at the time. So you guys do whatever works for you. Whatever's your favourite pasta, whatever's your favourite cheese, go for it. So my pasta's cooked. Obviously when it's soft, you know it's cooked. There's no firmness to it, like it's proper soft, but not like soft falling apart. Then it's done. I've actually like used up all of the water in here, so I don't need to drain it. But if you do have water left over, drain it. So what I'm gonna do next is add my cream cheese. Actually no, I'll add butter first. Add a little bit of butter because we're fat like that. Shut up, man! I'm telling you how to make my macaroni, bruh.
She's already added butter to it.
No.
That's the wrong step.
You
I'm just joking.
don't stress me out, Kenny. So you add a nice little knob of butter in it to just kind of. I don't know, man. Adding butter to anything just tastes way. Spread that around till it melts, and then we add our cream cheese. Shut up. I usually go for like the garlic and herb cream cheese, but if you're not into that,
Wow, this garlic and herb cream cheese is a life changer. It's just like
it
it's just strong.
it saves you having to season really a little bit. Feel me? Yeah, I just throw the whole thing in. If you're doing a bigger pot, you might need to use 2. This cheese is really firm though. Damn.
So you just put the whole thing inside like that.
Yep. I'm gonna just make it a bit more melted. I put a little bit of mozzarella so that you get the little stringiness in between. I can get this open. Obviously put in as much as you want. If you want it like extra stringy, go to. You don't have to put it in if you don't want to. But I like mine stringy. A little bit more. I didn't turn the oven on. Donut. Guys, preheat your oven. I didn't turn my oven on. This is what?
How are you getting on with it?
I'm getting on right, baby.
Ooh! Looking stringy. Looking stringy, isn't it? Not hot.
I'm gonna throw in your cheese on top.
So I actually like a little bit of like cheddar.
Yeah, I usually
like good mature cheddar cheese normally.
I usually use a lot. I use
And
different
Red
ones.
Leicester.
But right now we've got Red Leicester and we've got mozzarella. So
Alright.
And we like cheese a lot, so we put a lot of cheese on top.
Sometimes we actually put like bacon as well. What's it called? Pancetta?
No, it's just bacon larders, like diced bacon, which is what we normally do. But if we're cooking for like, my stepdad's Muslim, so if you cook and he has it, then I won't put it on top. But usually I just fry up some diced bacon and then throw it on top. Just adds that nice little pop of flavour. Once your oven's preheated, this is ready to go in, and then because the pasta's already cooked, I literally just put it in until the top is like golden and melted. So it depends on how you like it. If you like your cheese just melted, or if you like it with a little bit of a crunch on it and it goes a bit brown, that's what I prefer. So you just keep it in as long as you need to, because it's already cooked, so it's fine. That is it, ready to go in. It's a little bit cool.
Oven hot now, yeah?
Yeah. I whack it in the top Just because I'm used to it.
And what heat?
I usually do like gas mark 7 or 2. I don't know what gas mark 7 is and thingy. This is a new oven and I'm used to gas mark, so I don't know. I just kind of guess. So I'm putting it on 200. And just keep an eye on it. It's very simple. And now we clean up. So my macaroni's been in the oven for about 10-15 minutes. And it's ready to turn the oven off. So let's see what we're working with. Oh, that looks beautiful. That looks gorgeous. That's it. Can you hear the sizzle? Can you smell the aromas? I'm joking. Come away, baby. I need a bowl, you know.
Just got a plate.
Yeah. It's not that stringy, but it's good. It's a little bit stringy, but not massively stringy. What it looks like inside. I actually need to eat this right now, like it just smells so good. Can you try some, babe?
Yeah, I'll try some.
Yeah. This is one of the best ones I've made in a while, you know.
I'll be the judge of that.
Strong contender.
I'll be the judge of that.
That's a strong contender. Guys, he's gone for a second scoop and it says nothing. That means he liked it.
I'm just trying to blend all the flavours in, you know?
Shut up, man. This guy is feeling it. He loves it. Trying to act like you don't. Why are you doing the food dance off camera? Guys, he's doing the food dance. That means it was a wing macaroni.
It slaps for sure.
His macaroni don't make people dance. Only mine does.
It does. Yeah, black people can skip.
Anyways, guys, that's my secret. Watch we go barbecue. Everyone's gonna start whipping out the same macaroni though. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Got this fat boy. Why are you eating a banana skin? It's finished. All gone. All finished.
Dada.
Dada, it's finished. You wanna say bye to the camera? Say bye bye. Bye bye. You wanna blow kisses? Go mwah. Oh, you're so clever. You're so cute. See you guys. Peace out.